I get phone calls once in a while asking, what's the difference between all the lifts? Why do you have so many different variations on a Honda Ridgeline lift kit? Why do some have subframe spacers and other ones don't have subframe spacers? So our standard 2-inch kit, the 2020-40, is basically the modern version of what we've been making for almost 20 years now, from Gen 1 Ridgeline. It's a 2-inch spacer in the front, it's a spacer in the back that takes advantage of the geometry in the rear, that lift, and its sway bar length. Very straightforward. And we stopped at 2 inches in the front because that's when we felt it was the safe limit. Anything higher than that, like 2.5, and you're going to get a driveline vibration because the axles have to extend as you go up, and they can only go so far. So to go higher than that, when we made the 3.5-inch kit, what we had to do was drop the subframe an inch, which meant dropping the motor mount an inch, which meant dropping the drive shaft an inch, which meant dropping the rear subframe an inch. And so we had to add, I think it was 22 more parts or something to the kit. When you drop the front subframe, what you're really doing is you're helping out your camber alignment a bit, and you're helping out the angle on the front drive shafts. The more angle your front drive shafts have to go through, the longer they have to extend to do that. So by lowering the front subframe an inch, we don't get an axle vibration, we can go up a little higher. In the rear, the main problem we're trying to cure is as you go up, you get a positive camber situation in the rear alignment. And so by dropping the subframe, we keep the tires more straight up and down. We originally had the 2-inch kit without subframe drops and the 3.5-inch kit with subframe drops. And we've recently added that you can buy the 2-inch kit with the 1-inch subframe drop. And that's for those people that really want to be extremely paranoid about all their angles of their suspension, have the minimum change and still get a 2-inch lift. I hope that's explained why there's so many variations. They are just kind of different variations on a theme, and I'm happy to custom arrange the parts if you need something different than we offer. I hope that helps.